Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am gonna be with my daughter heading to the Dollar Tree so we can make some organization hacks or DIYs, because you can absolutely do these yourself on a budget. You can see how much stuff Dollar Tree puts out for organization, a ton of different bins, baskets, and storage that you can choose from. I'm gonna take these are 16 fixed compartment storage boxes. I did pick up 2 of them. I'm gonna be showing you a couple different ways you can use this. This is a really nice find from Dollar Tree. It's only $125. One of the ways I thought to use this was for your everyday vitamins, your medicine, or stuff like that, bottles like that. You can place them in each little compartment and you can have them at the ready when you need them, and you can place this down in a drawer so it can be put away and just easily open the drawer and grab the bottle that you need. So I thought that was a really nice way to use this little compartment box, because when we do have those vitamins and stuff like that, it does get a little bit tricky to find a place to put them. Next up, we're gonna be tackling this little kitchen rag drawer. You can see everything is just kind of thrown in here, so I want to fix that up, and I thought that this compartment box was a perfect way to just tidy it up. And believe it or not, this compartment box does fit in this drawer, which I was surprised. I thought it was going to be a little bit taller and not fit, but it does fit nicely, so I'm pretty sure it will fit in one of your kitchen drawers. You just have to make sure prior to doing this for your kitchen rags. But I absolutely love it. I'm just rolling them really nicely so I can place them inside of the compartment box and then place it inside of the drawer. And not only does it keep everything in its own place and nice and tidy, but it did give me extra room inside of the drawers, so now I can place down extra stuff, and it's just such a space saver, and you can place down more stuff inside of the drawer rather than just having it filled with the rags. You can have some extra space for something else, and I absolutely love it. It looks 10 times better, and I absolutely love it. You're gonna have to let me know what you think of these ideas so far. I really do think it's a nice way to just tidy up your space in your home. The next thing that you can use this compartment box for is on top of your dresser. Let's say if well, we all have stuff on top of our dresser like lotions, perfumes, stuff like that, and they do tend to get messy and just look a bit cluttered. So you can use this compartment box to place them in its own little space and just keep everything on one side of the dresser rather than having it all scattered around the dresser. This will keep it nice and organized. So you can place them down inside and just have one maybe for your side and one for your partner's side. If you do have 2 sides of the dresser, this will be perfect, and I love it. You can see how much neater and how much nicer it looks. Thank you so much to Meet You for partnering with me in this video. They are a company that creates products for working out, exercising, outdoor activity. You can see their page here. They are mostly known for their winter products, like they're specifically designed for the winter to keep you nice and warm and to keep you going. They have some great quality products, as you saw there. I was wearing the one that they sent me, which was in a sort of magenta color. They do have different colors on Amazon, and they range from $14.99 to $26.99, which is not bad. They also have 2 packs as well, and I really do love how it felt when I was wearing it. It does feel really great quality and nice and thick, and like it would keep you warm when you are exercising outdoors in the winter time. You're gonna want to check them out because these are some nice products that you're gonna want to have whenever you're working out and doing your outdoor activities. The links will be in my description box below, so after you are done watching my video you can check them out. With that being said, let's move to the next organization DIY. Dollar Tree is now carrying these little storage bins with the lid, and I love how it locks in place. You can see the handles on the side just comes off, but when you place them on, it goes on top of the lid nicely, so it sort of locks it down. You can use this to place down your plastic utensils so they don't get any dust or anything when you take them out of that packaging. And this is a nice way to take it out of the box, the paper box that it comes in, because we all always have extra when we get them. So that is a nice place to store it along with your feminine products. You can see if you have them here in a drawer or somewhere like that, you can place them in this little bin. It's, you know, it has a nice lid to keep it this nice and discreet, and it does lock as well, as I mentioned, so you can have it nice and safe inside of the drawer. And you can see I did place down some liners, and I'm placing down the bigger ones down here. And then once you are done, you can just simply place that lid and lock everything together so it can stay nice and safe, which is amazing. And I had not seen these at Dollar Tree before. This was a new find for me. So I hope you can find them because they are coming out with a lot of different new and different storage and bins and stuff like that. These two little baskets also are from Dollar Tree. We're gonna go ahead and place them on the side of the same drawer to place down more of our essential stuff, which is awesome because now everything is nice and tidy and really organized, and we have space for everything we need right inside of the drawer rather than it being scattered all around. And everything is from Dollar Tree, which is amazing, and you can see just how nice and clean it looks. I am loving how all of these are turning out. If you are enjoying so far, do give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, my friend, and it does help me reach new viewers, so do give this video a big thumbs up. Next, we're gonna take one of these clear containers with the lids from Dollar Tree along with their foam hair curlers. We're gonna place 3 in each little compartment, and these plastic organizers, they do have them all year round because I always see them. So I had the perfect idea to store your jewelry, and I absolutely love how this turned out. You can just take out the hard plastic part that comes on the hair rollers, so we can easily place 3 down inside each little compartment. Now keep in mind, you do want to hot glue them down or even E6000 these down so they won't come out and, you know, they won't move around when you are placing your jewelry. But I didn't do that right now because I'm just showing you, you know, my thought process and the idea. But I am gonna go in afterward to glue them down so it's nice and sturdy. But look how beautiful this little jewelry container and organizer is. And you can make multiple of these and stack them on top of each other on top of a little dresser or wherever you would like. You can even place these inside of a drawer, which would look nice as well. I really love this organization DIY. And my friend, I just want to take a little second to thank each and every one of you who subscribed to my channel recently. Welcome and thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. It really does mean a lot to me, so I just wanted to say thank you for that. And stay tuned for all the fun content coming this year. This is my first one of the year, so there's many more to come. But as you saw right there in those clips, you saw that I showed you in my previous video how to use these storage baskets from Dollar Tree. I transformed the towel closet that was completely a mess. But if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in my description box so you can see that video with some more organization hacks. But I'm going to use this basket, the same basket, to place down some bathroom tissue because I think that it's a nice way to just store them rather than just having them inside of the plastic bag that it comes in. And you can easily place this basket inside of a closet because it has handles. You can just simply take it out when you need so, and stuff like that. So it fits down easily 8 rows in here, and it still has some space in the front. So if you wanted to place down some wipes, you definitely can, and I did, because why not use the space? So I did that, and now you can easily place it and store it in a closet or wherever you would like and easily grab it, and it looks so much nicer than just keeping it in that plastic that it comes in when you buy it. But that is it for today's video, my friend. Please let me know what you think of these organization DIYs, and if you've enjoyed, once again, do give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. I hope you are enjoying these organization DIYs as much as I am making them for you. It's a little bit something new on my channel. If you don't know, I do DIYs and home decor as well, so you can check out those videos down on my channel. All of those that is how I started my channel, so there is literally tons of videos on home decor and DIYs, stuff like that. But thank you so much for watching, and if you've made it this far, it is time for our secret word for today, which is going to be organization 2025. So comment that down below in the comment section, and I will know that you made it this far, which is highly appreciated for you to stick around with me to the end. So thank you so much, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless.